So yeah, I have this 88, or was it 89, Chevrolet S10 Blazer 4.3 fuel injection with the TBI stuff on it. It wouldn't run quite right. When I got it, it was pretty clearly a vacuum leak of some sort. And then the guy told me he had rebuilt the TBI. So of course I instantly got suspicious, took the TBI from the other S10 I have and put it on, and voila, idles perfectly. Only issue is these throttle controls are not the same as on the other Blazer. So I'm gonna take the injectors and stuff off this, put it on the other original TBI unit, and bolt it all back on. So yeah, hopefully that'll make it run fine and I can have it tech approved. Because it's a pretty nice little S10. It's got a nice blue color, very little rust, very low miles, under 100,000 American miles, 156,000 kilometers. Yeah. Fucking planes. That's all the rust I've found on it. So yeah, it's a pretty good little car. There we have it. This one has a proper steel gasket as well. It's probably a lot better in general. There's the Mercedes. Still haven't touched it, but it's probably sellable as it is. Yeah, there we have the victim. There's the 2.8 TBI unit. Not right and dirty. This should be just a matter of, okay, that one was actually bolted down. That one, nothing was bolted down, just loose. Come on now. And one final third one in the back. And then gonna take loose the fuel bungs. Which is probably gonna be hard to do one-handed. I'll get back to you. And we have the brand new gasket kit, which I'm only going to use a gasket out of, as far as I know, because the rest have been redone. But I didn't want to change it without replacing that one. This have, yep, it just goes on like that. So, little final wipe through cleaning it thoroughly ish. Then that one should just come straight off and go straight on. And yeah, this gasket is not perfect. that good squeeze in there. Okay, and then take off the TPS, because this one is angled upward. The pod. Okay, looks like it's the same Torx. And one of the bolts on this one is broken, but then again, it always has been. Well, not always, but for the longest time. Like Billy Joel. Yeah, my bench is a mess. Autolite, compressors, and God knows what. Now, how do you go on there again? You go on the right way. Of course need to be adjusted, or probably need to be adjusted to get lucky. Get lucky like Daft Punk. Okay, now it should be ready. I just need to get the bolts. Get them bolts. Fuck. Forgot the fuel bungs. Oh well. No biggie. They have like a little gasket on the end. Don't use any sealant. You'll screw it up. Another great day. Tomorrow is the last day of my vacation. That sucks. But, oh well, what are you gonna do? Everyone, start paying me for doing YouTube, please. I want to be famous. I forgot a rag to wipe off the end of the shit, but fuck. Oh well. Rag achieved. Gee willikers, I hope I got all the sand out of this. The pocket sand. Oop. Get in there. Get down. We have engagement. Just wiggling the other things away. Wiggle some bolts in there. Click. And click. And click. That's this aluminium stuff also, so gotta be careful with your clicks. Suddenly it'll get real easy, and then you've gone and done it. Done and done it. If this just wants to play along, we can get in there. There we go. That one's a little shredded. That's right, a little broken. Anyway, on goes. Few lines. Various vacuum hoses. Come on, get in there. Fingers crossed for no electrical fires. It's a bit snug. What is it? I'm trying to do this double-handed. Pardon me. Pardon me, ma'am. Just gonna get in there with both. Should I tighten the small one before tightening the big one? Probably not smart. There we go. Yeah, now we're talking. Nice and light. Click. That should be it for that. And here we have some vacuum suction lines, some suckers. You are a bit big. Oh, because you're going there, of course. And the final one is this little rascal from the air filter box. And now this should also fit, which it didn't before. Yeah, buddy. Do I have to change that one too? Nope. I seem to remember that was the only one, because interference. And yeah. That just leaves the injectors. Perfect. Oh, where's that? There's that. There's that thing. Oh, you need to go in a certain direction, don't you? Like that pop group. One direction. Now, why are you being difficult, sir? Just to avoid squishing the wires. This one really wants to, which would be bad. Okay. Come on now. On goes the lid. Now, where's my closest battery? Where is my closest battery location? I'd say in the Chevy van that I just got started. Well, I fired it up. Need to get all these parts inside before winter. Sorry, Mr. Spider. Miss Spider. Maybe it's Mrs. I don't know. She could be married. Don't want to assume things. Voila, a battery. Now, can I get this out one-handed? Or do I have to try to prop you up like that? Come on. Come on. Oh, there we go. Have this shit. Hey, I got new axles for that one in the junkyard. Not too bad, if I say so myself. There it is. And we got light. Other way. Come on. Why you gotta be like that? Come on. There we go. And there we go. Sure do like him, but he's hard on equipment. fingers crossed, we will now have contact. I think I'll check for leaks first. It looks good. And I heard the fuel pump go, Sweet ass digital dash. Come on. There we go. And yeah. She already sounds fine. The no speedometer. Oh well. Yeah. Just some percussive maintenance. She usually comes in after a little while. But I can hear immediately that it sounds a lot better than it did. That idle is fine. I have forgotten this little sucker. Woo. Bring your tools. Don't leave them out in the rain. Unless you like constantly having to buy new tools. But let's give her a test drive, because I seem to remember the transmission not shifting quite like it should. Come on. All right. Ooh. Well, she grips. Probably take the handbrake off. Yeah, look at that. We got windows. Do we have windows on the other side? Yes, we do. Very good. Okay, neutral. And give me that two-wheel drive. Did I get it? Yep. Bounce. We have good brake. Power. Kawa. So yeah. I do have template for today. I haven't put them on, but I do have them, so technically I should be good to go. Better. Shifts just fine. There's some strange noise in there, but well, it's an old Chevy. Of course there's a strange noise in there. Tourists everywhere. Just goes wild from second to third. So that needs addressing. I think that's a solenoid problem. Not too sure. Or when I got it up to speed, it's fine. There's fourth. So yeah, a bit of Googling. TH700. Second to third shift. But it could be just be that it's a bad transmission. It needs clutches. Or better line pressure, because it shifts fine as soon as I get off the throttle. Well, no big problem. There's a rattle, but I think that's the exhaust system. Oh, look at that. We have a dashboard again. I think it's just the exhaust system being a bitch and clacking against the car. Alright, yeah, leaking a little fluid, but oh well. All in all, not too bad. Well, that's the revival of an S10 Blazer for you, and it'll be coming up for sale in the near future. Well, if you live in Norway, just get yourself a nice little Blazer. What you doing, buddy? Oh, that's so. Uh-huh, I see. Yeah, me too. Oh yeah.